In this video, you'll learn how to calibrate actuators on Juvo wheelchairs equipped with the ECON control system. After replacing or repairing actuators, they must be calibrated to ensure correct function. To do this, open the Seat menu in the ECON-W Programming Station and select Memory Seating Setup. Then start Actuator Calibration. During the calibration process, no person may be seated in the wheelchair. The procedure must be monitored at all times. The wheelchair now automatically runs the calibration for all actuators installed in the system. Once the process has been successfully completed, confirm the data storage in the connected system. All values are then saved according to the calibration results.